Hello, what are you doing?
So I'm making North African eggs.
Ooh, North African eggs, Mimi. Yeah, that looks good. So it's brunch, is it? This is a brunchy thing.
Brunchy thing. So
Nice hat, by the way.
I'm going to fry off the onions for about 5 minutes.
Alright, it's done.
So I've just added the 2 peppers.
Yeah.
And you continue to fry those for another 5 minutes.
Another 5 minutes, alright.
Yeah.
Okay. And
you just add the chili and garlic.
Chili and garlic.
For about 2 minutes.
Those bird's eye garlic? Sorry, bird's eye chilies.
No, they're just red chilies.
Just red chili now.
And then you add a teaspoon of cumin seeds.
Seeds, wow, seeds.
And continue to fry for another minute.
Another minute, okay. Now what?
Then you add about 5 to 6 chopped tomatoes.
Nice.
And season some salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper going in there.
And then you just let those cook off for about 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 more minutes, wow.
Just to break down the tomatoes.
Okay.
Tomatoes,
thinking you.
So I made 4 little wells in the sauce, I suppose. And you crack an egg into each one.
What did you add to this?
So it's just coriander and spring onions.
And what are they? North African eggs. Thank you very much. Ooh, that's pretty.